the best method to use Snap Camera in 2024. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly go over what Snap Camera is. Snap Camera is a free application that allows you to apply fun and creative lenses from Snapchat to your webcam. Whether you're streaming, video chatting, or just having fun, Snap Camera can enhance your online presence. Step 1 is to download Snap Camera. Open your web browser and go to snapcamera.snapshot.com. Now, here you can simply click the download button and follow the installation steps. Make sure to read and accept the terms of services. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, open Snap Camera. You'll see a variety of lenses to choose from. Let's set it off for your favorite streaming or video chat platform. Click on any lens to apply it to your webcam. You can search for specific lenses using the search bar at the top. Now let's integrate Snap Camera with platforms like Zoom, Skype and OBS. For Zoom, open the settings, go to the video tab and select Snap Camera as the camera source. Do the same for all the other apps that you want to keep the Snap Camera as the main camera. And that's it. Now you know how to use Snap Camera in 2024. Enhance your video calls and streams with fun and creative lenses.